Good afternoon. It's March the 28th, 2017. Time to wrap up today's trading and take a look at tomorrow. We'll start with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, what a day in the E-mini. We came in, we liked the short side first. That trade came here. Retest, this was a positive trade. This was a positive trade. This retest failure was positive. This triple top was positive. And then from here on out, it was just off to the races. And the talk coming in, today's chatter was that Ryan Care was not that big a setback. They're going to get it at some time. And we're really focused on tax cuts and industrial policy changes. And industrial policy changes are being made daily by stocks. So until the tax package is announced, the market to me is just probably going to move sideways. And right now we've got a higher low and a higher high. That tells us on F1 that the E-mini can trade higher tomorrow. For a place to buy it on the F2 screen. Very, very strong market up. We talked about that 59 to 62 is the next resistance, and they did get stops above 60 and the market has peeled off. So right now, in lieu of news, be selling 59s to 61s, 64, 66, sell 2. On the buy side, 50 to 52, and 45 to 47. Picking up this area right here for buy 2. Have a little news tomorrow. Usually does not change the market. We have pending home sales plus 2.4, and I don't have the EIA, the estimates for the EIA numbers, but crude, unleaded, and heating oil come out tomorrow, and we have the APIs tonight. So news focus tomorrow will be pending home sales and whether technically we can take out the 65, 67 area. Looking at the note, really got slammed, more so from the strength in the E-mini. The auctions were actually reasonably good yesterday and today, but that didn't stop the market from selling, and the strength in the E-mini is what took us lower. So we have lower high, lower low. Can look for a place to sell it tomorrow. And we have multiple distributions down. So we have to move the 7-year paper tomorrow. I believe we'll be lower, but we probably won't break. So we're going to put a buy at 5 to 9. And at 29 to 01. Probably do have one sell left in London. So 12 to 16, sell 1. And 19 to 23, sell 2. Lost about 26 ticks in our knob spread today, the way we calculate it. And bond came off pretty nicely. 24, 28's number 1, sell 31's to 03, sell 7 to 11. Buy side 12 to 16, so 5 to 9 buy 1. and 28 to the buck by 2. And we're going to pick up the support in this area. Going to lean against that with the idea that the 7-year auction will support the market. The auctions haven't been that bad this week, and it is short paper, relatively speaking. You can go a lot longer, and so gold got hit, more so from the strength in the E-mini than anything else. No reason to own gold if the stock market's going to rally, right? Inside day, trade it. Okay, after lunch, after the auction, this market broke 45.47 by 1. Took a while to get there, but eventually we did. 40 to 42 by 2. On the sell side, pretty clean break at 50, so 50 to 52, sell 1. 54, 56, sell 2. We're just leaning against resistance if the E-mini does actually start to sell, which it probably won't do until tomorrow, if then. We don't want to be short gold nor treasuries. Crude oil. Pretty quiet. Higher low, higher high. We've got the APIs tonight. We'll get the first read. Market held up pretty well, so F1 says you can buy it. And F2 says that you can buy it also. So down to the APIs tonight and EIAs tomorrow. Rich genders will be on. Buy 1, 47.75, 48. Buy 2, 47 and a quarter, 47.50. Give it a little bit of room. Sell 48.50 to 75. Sell 1. Pretty much where we were today. 49, 49 and a quarter. Sell 2. And looking at the euro, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. And pretty square distribution right here. Move 4 times to take it higher. Couldn't do it. Somebody took profits. And pretty much straight down. There was a Fed governor, I forget his name, I think it was Evans, came out and said 2 more interest rate bumps this year seems about right. Goldman has said June and September for the 2 more. Knowing the Fed, it'll be September and December. So we'll see what we have. So stops below 50 they did get. We are pointed lower. 108.25 by 1. 108 even by 2. On the sell side, we're at 50. The spill came from 70, so 70, 75, sell 1. 95 to 109 even, sell 2. That does it for this March 28th, 2017. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening.